Let's solve the equation cosine of 2x minus pi over 2 equals -1, where x is in the interval from 0 to 2 pi. Let's break this down step by step. First, let's recall when cosine equals -1. On the unit circle, cosine is -1 at angle pi. Therefore, if cosine of an angle equals -1, that angle must equal pi plus 2 pi n, where n is any integer. Now, let's set our expression equal to pi plus 2 pi n. 2x minus pi over 2 equals pi plus 2 pi n. Let's solve for x. First, add pi over 2 to both sides. This gives us 2x equals 3 pi over 2 plus 2 pi n. Then divide both sides by 2. Now we have x equals 3 pi over 4 plus pi n. Now we need to find values of n that give us x values between 0 and 2 pi. Let's plot these points on a number line. Let's try different values of n. When n equals 0, x equals 3 pi over 4. When n equals 1, x equals 7 pi over 4. Both of these values are in our interval. Therefore, the solutions in the interval from 0 to 2 pi are x equals 3 pi over 4 and x equals 7 pi over 4. Let's verify these solutions by plugging them back into our original equation.